Okay, quick little gadget for today. I'm filming this at night because I kind of wanted to do it while it's a little bit dark in the kitchen here. So this is our dishwasher we bought about 3 years ago, and it's a pretty nice little dishwasher. It's your typical under-the-counter style. And when we got this, it did not have any kind of a light internally. I think you had to buy a much more expensive model for that. But it always kind of stuck with me, like why couldn't I just add that to it? So what I did was basically took a little microcontroller. Now this was a breadboard design that I did, but this is a little ESP model, an older one they don't even really make anymore, but it's what you would use to do an Internet of Things, a gadget you wanted to be connected. Don't really need to do that at this point, because why would you need it to connect this to anything? But I wanted to give you an idea how it works. So I wanted to make it internal to the whole machine and look factory, so you don't see any wires hanging out of anything. This board here is just to demonstrate. It's just powered with USB. And what this is it uses a Hall effect sensor. So this little board down here, I designed this several years ago to be able to easily hook a Hall effect sensor to, and then it gives me the hardware, plus it gives me an indicator light. So this here is just a stack of magnets, and as we bring this close to that there, you'll see that LED will go off, come back on, go off. So what I did was put a magnet on the end of the side of this that creates the hinge, and that's how I know the door is open or closed. So I didn't hack into any of the electronics or wiring of the dishwasher itself. But basically this is what it gives us. When we open the door, we get a very nice bright light in here. So when we're putting our dishes in or taking them out, we can see them very good. And of course I couldn't leave it at just that, because I want to keep the wife happy, and she may want something that she can change the brightness on. So underneath here, where I have the lights, I have a little board there. And this was actually for another project I'm building, but I was able to reuse it here. And basically with this, if I hold it down, it will get brighter, and if I hold the other button down, it'll get dimmer to the point of wherever you would want it to be. So let's say that's the brightness it's at. Now after 5 seconds you'll see a little blink in it there. That's not a bug or a short, that's just its confirmation that it saved that setting. So this way it remembers it the next time I do it. When we close it, obviously light goes out, but in addition to that, it knows what state it's in. So right now I have it set up so it does not leave a night light on, but if I want to, I easily can do that, and it will save that setting. So now the light in the closed stage will be that, but when I open it, it'll brighten up and it will give me the brighter internal light. And again, when I close it, it goes back, it'll fade down and go to the lightest one. May not seem that impressive, but it's kind of neat. A little bit of code that runs on this little ESP module, and since it is capable of connecting to my home Wi-Fi, if I ever wanted to increase the capabilities, I could do that with that. But these little boards, you can buy them like 5 for $10 or $15. They don't cost very much, and the electronics that goes onto it is not very much at all. Did have to put a power supply in there to provide the 5 volts to the controller, and these LEDs are actually 24 volt LEDs, so they can be pretty bright. But anyway, that's the project for today.